Why do couples give each other such weird nicknames? Because there was this couple in my school that first met in our math class, but unfortunately, I sat at the same table as them, so I heard all their conversations. And I am not kidding you when I say the names they called each other made the hairs on the back of my neck stand up from how cringy they were. Like in the beginning, they were still getting comfortable with each other, so they would just use normal nicknames like baby or honey, which isn't weird at all. But as the relationship progressed, they seemed to get more comfortable and they got tired of using those generic nicknames, because one day I pull up to class and the guy is like, "How is my honey barbecue sauce doing?" And the girl responds by saying, "I'm good, my lobster butter." Like at this point, are y'all even calling each other nicknames, or are you just really hungry? I was about to just be like, "Hey Big Mac, can I borrow a pencil?" Now am I just hating because I'm single? Yeah.